Let's explore the troubleshooting steps and solutions for the charge interrupted error in Mitsubishi EVs. Start by checking for Mitsubishi recalls on their website using your vehicle identification number or VIN. The recent 2024-2025 recall impacts numerous Outlander PHEV models. Next, install the software updates released in June 2025. These over-the-air updates recalibrate the battery management system to prevent false positives. If the error persists after updates, visit your dealer for free battery replacements or module swaps under the recall. Ensure your charger is compatible with Mitsubishi standards. Older models use CHAdeMO, while newer ones use CCS. For environmental factors, charge in a cool location during hot weather. In cold weather, let the battery warm up before charging. For basic troubleshooting, disconnect the charger and restart the vehicle to reset the system. For persistent errors, see a certified technician who can use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose the issue. Common codes include P0A80 for battery malfunction or U0121 for communication loss. For DIY fixes on older models, clean any corroded battery connectors and apply dielectric grease to ensure good electrical connections.